I was not good in biology before joining, and then even my maths was a little weak, but after joining it's like become more stronger. I used to score in the 60s, now it's in the 70s or almost full. Even same for science. I didn't understand trigonometry while studying in my school because they taught during online and it's like very rushed, so here I understood it better. In the institute they have smaller classes, so it helps a lot because I've heard like in ALM and the other institutes they have larger classes of 40-50 students, so it's not individual learning. Yeah, it's like more impactful than larger classes. They use like the newest technology using Microsoft Teams and OneNote. They also record the classes, so if you're not there or you want to revise, you can just listen to it again. They give advice when I have some problem. For example, time management, like I've attended a few sessions they had, and if I score less, they have extra classes to help me out also.